All right, so I hope you guys gave this a good shot. Don't worry if you didn't quite make it all the way through. These are, like I said, these are kind of tricky. So, okay, so I'm going to pick two equations first, and I think I'm going to do these top two. Mostly because I see that I can multiply this by a 2, and these two are going to drop out. So I have negative 5x. Actually, let's do this, just to save space. I'm going to multiply this top by 2. So now I have negative 10x plus 6y plus 2z equals negative 30. And then I have 10x plus 2y plus 8z equals 18. Okay, so I've got 8y plus 10z equals negative 12. So there is one of my equations. So 8y plus 10z equals negative 12. All right, then I also can use this top one, and I can use it with the bottom one, and my x's will cancel out if I multiply the top by 3. And I'm going to erase this. Hopefully you have that written down already. So now I've got negative 15x plus 9y plus 3z equals negative 45. And then I rewrite this one, 15x plus 5y plus 7z equals 9. All right, so those x's drop out again. I get 14y plus 10z equals negative 36, right? Right. Okay, let me just double check this really quick. Okay, we got it. So 14y plus 10z equals negative 36. Well, this turns out to be really, really nice. So if I just multiply either one by a negative, then one of these 10z's is going to become negative, and then the z's will be eliminated. So I can rewrite this as negative 8y minus 10z equals a positive 12. Okay, so 14 minus 8 is 6y equals a negative 24. Divide through by 6, and y is negative 4. So there's one of my answers right there, negative 4, or part of the answer, I should say. And I'm going to take this and plug it back into one of these, and I think I'll do the top one. So 8 times negative 4 plus 10z equals negative 12. So negative 32 plus 10z equals negative 12. If I add 32 to both sides, I get 10z equals 20, which means z equals 2. And now that I have 2 of the 3, I can now take those and plug them into one of these. And this one looks like it's the easiest. So I'm going to plug y and z into here, into this equation, to find x. All right, so negative 5x plus 3 times y, which is negative 4, plus z, which is 2, equals negative 15. So negative 5x minus 12 plus 2. We've got negative 10. If we add 10 to both sides, I get negative 5x equals negative 5 divided by negative 5, and we get x equals 1. So I hope that's what you got. If you didn't, please contact me somehow so that I can help you with these. If I can watch you work on one and follow your train of thought, that really helps me to say, oh, your mistake is right there. So I like working with students one-on-one. Okay, so, all right, so let's go on to another part. Hopefully you remember from the last lesson in part A that there are 3 different types of solutions that we can get to these equations, to these systems. One is that we get 1, right? We have exactly 1 solution. It's crossing in exactly 1 place. Here, there are none, because they have to all have something in common. And then right here, there's an infinite amount of solutions because they cross all at a line, and it goes on forever. Okay, so we're going to look at situations where there are no solutions. Okay, and I'm going to do that because of time. I'm going to do that on the next video.